So, good morning. Today we're doing Eric's toy review. And Eric wants to show you guys something. It's called Baby. Say it. Eric, what's it called?
Baby chocolate.
What's he called, Eric?
Baby chocolate is here.
And what happened to his smile and frown?
I don't know.
He can be happy or sad, right?
Happy.
He's happy? Okay, so fix his little happy face. Put on a happy face.
Baby chocolate, you're weird.
What?
Yeah. He has this Baby chocolate has a butt
I'm
face.
changing my tail, chasing my tail.
Eric, show everybody your turtley.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, where's my tail?
Put this on your tube.
Yeah.
Do it.
Do what?
Put this on your tube.
Sure. Are you ready for picture day?
Sarah. And today is picture day for Richmond Street School.
Give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, then you're fired.
Show everyone your thumb.
I don't want to subscribe.
Thumb's healing, although the doctor said it would take until
Don't
about
subscribe.
October to feel well. That's from when he slammed his...
It doesn't hurt anymore.
It doesn't hurt anymore, yeah. The nail's
Ow,
growing
ow,
back.
ow, ow, ow. He's like, ow.
Anne, can I go on YouTube too?
No.
Why?
Because you're weird and you have a butt face.
What? Wait, where's my tail? Check it out. Eric.
Squeak! Squeak!
Goodbye. Have a great day, everyone.
Squeak!